Runway 27 right, RNAV, runway 27 left approach is in use. Also landing and departing runway 27 center. Use caution, numerous birds on and about the airport. Notices to airmen. Runway 1836 closed except for taxi. Taxiway Romeo between the Romeo ramp and runway 9er center closed.
Archer 2326 Victor is 27 right, you on the other one.
Archer 2326 Victor, Sanford ground. Turn right, taxi Bravo Kilo, right side taxiways.
Right, Bravo Kilo on the right side, and we want to say a special thank you to whoever cut the 8 that's the end of the top one.
Can you say that again? I'll put it in speaker.
We want to say a special thank you to whoever cut the 8 or who was behind the guy cutting the 8. Made us laugh for about 10 minutes up in the air. 2326 Victor.
Alright, thanks. My supervisor made it, but I helped out there.
Which part?
Pickle.
Oh, the tower is number 2390 Foxtrot, number 1400, downwind.
Number 2390 Sierra Foxtrot, out to tower, enter right to downwind, runway 31. Use caution for extensive seagull activity on and in the vicinity of runway 31.
Right downwind, runway 31, Foxtrot.
Sabria 90 Sierra Foxtrot, wind 340 with 16, runway 31, clear to land. Use caution for seagulls on runway 31.
Runway 31, clear to land, whatever seagulls, 90 Foxtrot.
Sabria 90 Sierra Foxtrot, use caution for personnel working left side, runway 31 at the departure end.
We'll use caution, 90 Sierra Foxtrot. Going around for birds, 90 Sierra Foxtrot.
Sabria 90 Sierra Foxtrot, Roger, you can make right close traffic. Crosswind turn will be your discretion, but the birds, they fly away for a minute, but they're already circling back on the runway behind you.
Right close traffic, 90 Sierra Foxtrot.
Sabria 90 Sierra Foxtrot, number 1, wind 330 with 12, runway 31, clear to land.
Runway 31, clear to land, 90 Sierra Foxtrot.
Sabria 90 Sierra Foxtrot, taxi drive Zulu, Yankee 2, suggest to Juliet, monitor ground, good night.
Juliet, monitor ground.
The Kilo Sierra, use caution for seagulls on runway 31 and personnel and equipment working left side, runway 31 near Echo, runway 31 clear for takeoff.
Runway 31 clear for takeoff, 6 Kilo Sierra.
A damn lot of birds.
And they're already landed back on the runway behind you.
I haven't been cleared.
If you can catch them and give them a phone number, I'll deviate them.
I'm sorry.
Non-flexion number 2, clear to land 7.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 7, 179 X-ray.
Yeah, 10 Echo, just for that other traffic. There are birds in my base final leg.
Roger, clear, touch and go with Jericho.
Let's go.
Kilo Tower, 1194, WA1, we switch to Jack.
4 Delta Julie, contact departure, have a safe flight.
Contact departure, thanks, on the return.
And Tower 94 X-ray is clear at Charlie, like to taxi back for closed traffic.
194 X-ray, runway 7, taxi V Alpha, hold short of the 11 approach, advise ready.
Alpha, hold short 11 approach, full advise, 94 X-ray.
Yeah, Tower 10 Echo, there's also birds on the departure end, and I don't think they're transponder equipped.
We'll have to do something about that.
Can you go shooting?
Pew, 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 pew.